Hey guys, we just started on this Fairbanks Morse ZD 2 horse. It's supposed to be a 1.5, but it's more around 2 horse. And so basically we just started tearing her down. And yeah, whole back's gone out of it. We pulled the main shaft, the crankshaft, and the rotor shaft out of it. And all that stuff has been put over here on the table, as well as the magneto. We took the head off and I just stuck it back on real quick. So yeah, there's the back off of her right there. So yeah, she's looking good. Hopefully she'll be okay. We just started honing the cylinders as well as working on finding new rings for her because she's a little wrong in the rings. I'll show you. I'm gonna take the bolts off here. All 4 bolts, or should I say nuts, come off. Then the head comes off. Not looking too bad to pour in there so far, so hopefully she's not too bad. So yeah, we'll have to drill these rivets out. We have to get the proper tag for it because we didn't get a tag with this engine when we grabbed it up. And so far so good on the back here. We've had to clean it out. We were honing the cylinders today, as I was saying. So hopefully she'll be clean enough to get her have enough compression. And yeah, so she'll start up again. We tried starting her up a couple of weeks ago, I guess it was, and it didn't go very well, to say the least. So yeah. It's still a little dirty inside there. So. And a little oily. She'll hopefully be okay. We pulled the magneto out, pulled a couple of the seals off. This guy goes on the main shaft there for the crankshaft. And then this is the governor rod, the governor, whatever you call it, governor assembly. These weights, when the engine's going, they fly out. Is it? Oh no. Yeah, they fly out. This pushes in. When there's a rod on the inside there, that pushes this down. And as this goes down, the weights go out. As the wheels go out, it pushes it back up. And then as this gets pushed back down, the wheel weights go back out and come back in. And hold it in one spot. And hopefully, she'll be all cleaned up enough. We can get her running again. And all we got here is the head gasket. All 3 of the compression rings. Oh, might add, the reason why we pulled this engine out is because there was no oil ring on it. Pull the piston out here. So there's the 3 compression rings on the top. The compression rings were here, here, and here. So this left the bottom one here without an oil ring. So that's why we had to pull her out, because she was running. But then it started puffing pretty good blue smoke, so we're gonna replace that ring. We're also gonna replace all 3 of these compression rings, because they're all wrecked and worn out after years of running. And this is just the valve set up here to let the valves go in and out. And then the valves here, I believe this is exhaust. They're not in too bad a shape, so hopefully they'll be okay. We are going to have to reseat all of the valves, as well as make some new leads. So fingers crossed that she'll work good. And this is an engine that it has a dip, so it's a splash. So basically the thing, there's a little bit on the end of the piston here, right here, that goes into the oil at the bottom of the engine. If I can just... So when this goes into the oil pan here, I'll drop this back into here. She'll go in. It's not going in very good. Alright, so when she goes in, this dips down into this pan here, goes down and lifts it up as it's in here. So it goes down, and that's supposed to be full of oil, and it keeps doing that every time. So it splashes all the oil up onto the back end of the piston in here, right in here. So then it lubricates it through there. So yeah, we'll get her running this summer or spring, and we'll take her out to the show and hopefully have her running by then. We don't got much time to work on this guy, so we'll deal with it. We're going to also repaint it, even though it's already been repainted. It's already been painted once. We're going to have to redo all the paint. So hopefully she'll work good. So yeah. This thing was stuck earlier too. It's got that working. As you can see, we sprayed a bunch of oil back here. So, that'll be all. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.